What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here in Hendersonville, Tennessee at Maple Motors, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1968 Mustang Convertible. This one here is believed to be 302 under the hood. Looks like the AC compressor's there, power steering, pretty quiet motor, should be a good drive here. What I like to do is take them down the road, point out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying before you get here. I ship cars all over the country, all the way down to California, to New York, to Texas. We do ship these cars out, so be sure to check that out and get a quote if you're interested. I have financing available. I have 100 detailed pictures of this car and all of our inventory. And of course, I'll do a test drive and a walk around of each car that comes through the lot. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before I take off here, we'll look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? Interior itself, a little loose. I mean, it's not ripped up or anything, but sure does look loose, don't it? Even in the back. The top is in great shape. From what I could tell on the outside, it looks fairly new. We're definitely putting that down right now. As soon as I get this thing started, I want to check and see if that top works. I'd say it does. It almost has to. I'll tell you right now, we've got some slack in the steering. I can tell you that before we even take off. Let's start her up. I'm not going to give it gas. Just turn the key there. It does start up pretty easy. Of course, you do got to pump that throttle before you start it when it's cold. Okay, wipers working. Blower motor is on. Yeah, I turned it off. Fan. The air conditioning's all there, but I don't see it pulling down on the motor right now. Radio? Not working. That radio was almost all the way up. Horn? I can hear. That is the most quiet horn I've ever heard. Oh, it's gotten louder. It halfway works. Literally half the time. It just stopped working now. I don't know what you'd call that. It does work sometimes whenever it feels like it, I assume. Top? I hope you work. This is the first time that I've been in this car. Needs some grease, don't it? Yeah, pull out. Whoa. She's taking off good, but look, we got hung. Come off. Come off there. Do we push it in? Yeah. That's when I need two hands instead of one holding the camera. Okay, let's look at this. Ready? Top's going away and it's pretty fast. Let's try all the windows. It's not too bad. I wonder how many people are watching this and they're like, what is a roll down window? There was a girl that lived next to my house, never seen roll down windows before. Blew my mind, but we also blew her mind, I guess. It's old trusty, you know? Let's see how this one goes down. Nice and smooth. It's not snagging up. This top is sitting a little high. I'm not sure why that is. It's okay though. Let's see here. They're all pretty smooth. All right, it's enough time messing around. Let's hit the road. For real? They got the whole thing wrong here. Being wise guys, you see. The seatbelt's backwards. This part's over here. I don't know if you can see that. And this part's over here. That's not how it goes. Hey, they're in here and they're new. I mean, these are pretty new. I don't know if it had a date on them. Okay. Whatever I see, I will point out. That's why I do these videos. That way you know what you're getting before you get here. I know I say that a lot, but you know, I mean it. Check the brakes before we roll out into traffic. We're stopping just fine. Gas gauge is on E because it's always on E when we receive cars. I learned that the shipping company actually takes gas out of them. So, you know, if you're on a trailer like this, the gas will just go straight towards the cap. These old cars, they don't seal up well on the gas caps anyways, so. Sorry it's taking so long. I'm ready to roll too. Temperature gauge is coming up and working. Oil pressure gauge doesn't work at all. I picked the worst time to do these test drives, yeah. It's 4:30. I need to get this done though. I didn't want to wait around. We could do the walk around video while we're waiting to pull out. All right, here we go. Pretty smooth already. Got a little bit of slack. I knew that was coming. Turns there and it turns there. Speedometer is working. They got kicked down. Passing gear is hooked up. Brakes. They're okay. They'll stop you. They're not stopping you anytime fast. Just be careful. Keep some car lengths, just like that. I recommend that in any Classic, even if it's got upgraded brakes, because I don't want to see it get wrecked. A little bit of a shake when you turn the power steering. Could be coming from the belt itself. I don't know if you can see that. Somebody's yelling something a couple cars back. Not real sure. See, this is in the right spot. They did this right. They just didn't do the driver's side right. We get off this main strip. We're gonna hit the back road over here. 100% going to the gas station. The radio's trying to work. I left it all the way up though. I can hear the turn signals. All right, we're here at the gas station and we're gonna get some fuel. I'm gonna put about $20 worth of fuel in this ride. And of course the gas gauge is on E. Check it out. As soon as I get done, I'll let you know if it's working. Good deal. All right, I did put some fuel in this ride. This has got a lot of attention since I've been driving it around. There was two people just when I was putting fuel in the back, stopped in here, was telling me about my mom had this, and the other guy was like, whoa, and about wrecked into the bush here. You put the gas in here in the back. I did put some fuel in it, so let's see if this gas gauge works. You see it's on E now. I bet you it does. There it goes. She's on her way up. Gas gauge works. Let's keep going. Tell you what, this car gets the attention, that's for sure. I pulled up in this parking lot and somebody just pulled off the main road here. Was asking all kinds of questions about it. I was like, I'm putting it online, you can watch the video. Hopefully they're watching this. So far so good. Engine temperature's nice and cool, really. Still on the cool side. It's been sitting in there idling for a while. The oil pressure fluctuates. It'll go on and off. It'll literally be at the bottom and then all of a sudden just start working and be halfway up. I don't trust that gauge at all. It is going bad. It's a faulty gauge. Almost a little bit too chilly to be running around with the top down. It's 61 degrees. Notice I said almost. Yeah, see, now the oil pressure gauge is back up halfway. It cuts on and off. Okay, taking a ride on this road here. Go ahead, put her down there. The brakes are decent. I mean, if I get on them, throw my bag forward, they feel pretty good. The walk around video went pretty well. There were still some spots you want to see. Definitely want you to check that out. Don't forget to watch that if you're interested in this ride. We're right around the corner from the car lot. I do appreciate y'all watching these videos. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.